So we've got two standard form numbers being multiplied together. We've got this number here and we've got this number here. So what we do is just rearrange it to put the numbers together and the powers of 10 together. And we can do that because when you're multiplying, it doesn't matter which order you multiply things. So 9 times 6 is 54. And when we multiply two powers of the same base, the base is 10 at the moment, you add the powers together, so that's going to be 11. Now we've got a little problem here. This number here is not in standard form. It needs to be between 1 and 10, not including 10. So to make that standard form, what you can do is you could write out the number in full, so 54, and it's times 10 to the power of 11, so it's 11 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then work out where the decimal place has to be. So it has to be here to make that 5.4. So how many times do I need to jump back? Well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's going to be 5.4 times 10 to the power of 12. That's my answer. Now, when you get good at this, you'll recognise when to add one on or when to take one away. The most common mistake is that students take one away when they're supposed to add one. If you write the number out in full, as long as it's not a ridiculously large number, then you can always check your answer.